So we're at the spot, and thanks to the shelter of the cliff behind me, which I'll show you in a minute, the sea is nice and calm. There's a breeze, but by the time I get down there it'll be nice. There's the headland. It's quite a big cliff there. Gives a lot of shelter. Last time I was here, you could see the shoals of mackerel breaking the surface as they're chasing the sand eels. And that's what we're after today. We're going to do a bit of float fishing for mackerel. I haven't done that in a while. I just want a couple, just for lunch. If I catch a couple in the first 2 casts, that will be that. I'll stop fishing. Well, it took a while in the end. I was fishing for about 2.5 hours, and nothing much was doing. There were a few bait fish breaking the surface. The guy next to me came along and cast out some small feathers into that little shoal, and turned out to be launce. He caught quite a big launce, but there didn't seem to be any mackerel there. I cast my float into the shoal, which showed very briefly, and didn't catch anything. Put the depth quite shallow, didn't catch anything again, and then that was it. And about an hour passed. I decided to try a spinner because I wanted to cover as much ground as possible. By this point I was really wanting to catch a mackerel for breakfast, and I'm pretty hungry now. So in the end I caught it on spinner. That's all I want actually. 2 would have been nice, but that's a nice breakfast there. And they are absolutely beautiful fish. They really are special fish, mackerel. I do love them. I'll show what I caught it on. And that's the culprit. Good lure, good for casting, nice flash on it. Can't remember what it is actually. Try and find out later. But anyway, that's an old faithful. Did the job today. So that's it. I'm gonna head off home now. Well, fillet this, then I'll head off home and have that fried up with a bit of olive oil, a bit of butter, and have it with some toast. It'll be delicious.